Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. Nice to meet you. On today's video I'm going to show you how I made this lovely matching set. I was craving for short Bermuda shorts. It's a new trend coming for this season, spring summer, but I don't have any. What I'm going to do? Okay, I thought, okay, I had that whole trousers, let me cut it, and the leftover I made a top. Exactly, this video is just to show you the process how I made. I'm not going to explain exactly the measure. It's not a full tutorial, but I love it so much because me on my style, like I said before, I don't know if you watched the previous video, I'm not a trendy person, but my fashion sense comes from my mood. I am a mood person, so sometimes I'm happy. I wear vibrant colors, if not more bold, but it's a mix. But at the same time, I like garments. They are fresh, modern. They looks good. They fit good, and in and out. And look of this. I really love it. The strap, they match the bottom. The satin bias look always good on the clothes. The hemming, I did something very quick because I was about to going out with this outfit, and I just placed a straight stitch on each side just to hold it temporarily, but looks fantastic. I think this is I think I will be making more of this kind of matching set is match set, sorry, for summer. And now you see on the body, look at me now. Yeah, I style it with the silver boots, with this crop shirt that I customized myself, and looks nice. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm a lifestyle I'm a lifestyler, and you guys, so thank you so much. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, thank you. Love this outfit for sure.